Hello everyone, welcome to Capsule Pharma News for Students, Series 1. Coming to the first news, Indian Pharmaceutical Association for Student Pharm is conducting a webinar on title Listen to Lessons. The topic of the webinar is Online Learning, a boon or ban for students. With a speaker, Dr. B. Suresh, who is the Pro Chancellor, JSS Academy of Higher Education and Research, Mysuru, and he is also a president of Pharmacy Council of India. The seminar or webinar is going to be conducted on 6th January at 4 pm. I will provide the link in the description. You can register from there. The registrations are free for this. And coming to the next news, mybo is organizing a talent hunt 2020, an online pharma game show. It is having 3 rounds and have different cash prizes, that is exciting cash prizes, and the eligibility is B Farm, Farm D and M Farm students. I will provide the link in the description. You can know more about it from the link below. And coming to the next topic, Kuringa College of Pharmacy is conducting Arogya Rakshak Pharma Series 2 with different topics and different speakers from different areas or institutions, named institutions, with a 4-day program. I will provide the link below in the description. You can know more about it by registering it. Next, coming to the next, the clinosol is organizing gain insight on abroad opportunities for pharmacists, a live in Instagram. Next, for everyone, happy World Environmental Day, 5th June 2020. And Narendra Modi, our Honorable PM, tweeted, World Environment Day. He requested us to do whatever possible to save our environment for a better planet for the coming generations. This is the news for today. Thank you for watching. See you in the next news.